that day. So I dey hear some people wey dey talk say because Liverpool reach final, it means say they don't try pass us. Me, I dey try understand when to enter final the trophy. I no just understand because I feel remember the time wey we reach final twice, way back and Narcos. Me, I dey vex o. Their fans dey yab us. If say dem finish third, come dey Champions League final, they no come win. Then they don't qualify for group stage. That one dey alright. If you talk say that says it makes sense pass our own. But this one they dey fourth. So they fit no qualify for Champions League next year if they no win their match for qualifier. So how we take be say that is a better pass our own? The only thing with me I feel say try pass us na Man City because now them carry 2 trophies. Chelsea they carry trophy, but I don't fit call that one trophy. You know why? Because trophy where they send person to Europa League, you know the trophy. If person dey Champions League and you carry FA Cup, I go hear you say you try. But if you carry FA Cup and your next bus stop na Europa, wetin e mean? E mean say your whole team na dead now. If you remember when Van Gaal dey when he win FA Cup, when we can't go Europa, the next season wey land people dey hear about say we dey Europa. As Mourinho come carry and they come dey vex. Subscribe for our page, no just watch our video run come.